Presenting, iQOO Z10R, 5G smartphone. It is available in colors, Aquamarine and Moonstone. It comes with 8GB RAM, and 128GB internal storage. This phone has 6.77-inch immersive display, with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus clarity, and up to 1800 nits brightness. It has Sony IMX882 4K, OIS rear camera, which supports 4K ultra-clear video, with hybrid, OIS plus EIS, anti-shake, so you can shoot clear and highly stable videos. Segment-leading 32-megapixel 4K selfie camera, that capture true-to-life 4K videos, and unleash your inner director. This smartphone has powerful Dimensity, 7400 5G processor with 750K plus AnTuTu score, built on flagship 4nm, TSMC process technology, to provide exceptional power efficiency. It offers with a massive 5700 mAh battery, and 44 watts flash charge. The box contains cell phone charger, USB cable, eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card, and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.